Welcome to the best video you can probably find on the internet about how to create a portal in React.js. And yes, you are finally going to understand what a portal does in React if you don't know yet. But first of all, let's say we have a child here and let's create this child. Alright, create a child is not easy, but in React it is. And so here we go, a child, and the child is in here, but let's say for an unknown reason we need to put this child in the body. I don't know why, maybe there is a drop down that you need to create. It doesn't matter, we need to put it in the body. And how can we create it without creating something really crazy, yes. We need to create something easy, and what comes in handy? The portal. So we create a portal, and we just put it. How does a portal works? We need to have the element that's going to be our child and the place where our child needs to go. And in our little case is going to be documents.body, and where it's going to be in our body. And if you go here, and here you see that our container and its parent is in here, but its child, where is it? Isn't the body? Whoa, isn't that amazing? It probably is going to help you in some ways. But now it's time to do something more advanced. First of all, I'm going to do it in the wrong way, and there is going to be some errors, so be ready for it, okay? But it's because of errors that we are going to learn. And at least that's what my mother says. I hope she's right. So here we go, we create a half because, we want to put it right here. So we create a half, right? And that's it, because we want our child to be inside a h1. Okay, so here we go. And the best way to do that is by using a useRef. Am I wrong? I might be. Just wait until this video ends so you can discover it. And here we go. Only create types. If you are not using TypeScript, don't worry about it, okay? So here we have our half, and now we have our child. So we don't remember never to do something like that, because you know that the half is a function, and a function is called. So if we go here, it's going to be like console e, and what's going to be in here? Let's just see, please. One error. Oh no, there is a error. Yes, because our half is not being called. That's kind of sad, but let's go. So here we create parent half, and just go here, create a simple type, don't worry about that. And here we go, the parent half is going to be right to here. Okay, parent half is going to be the ref, and that's alright. So right now we do what? If you know what we've been doing, we just go there and create a portal. Alright. And we go in here, parent half dot current, and it's going to work for sure, right? And if you just want to prevent something not that nice from happening, you just put that in here. So you know that the half is here, and what's going to happen now? I am asking you. Think about that, and in 3 seconds we go back. Like, 1, are you thinking? 2, I hope you thought, because what? The portal did not work, or did it work? Let's see, I hope you. And it didn't work. Why it didn't work? I'm going to answer you right now, because the parent half is not re-rendering our component. And if you know the difference between a state and a ref, the difference between these two is that a state always is going to re-render our component, and our half is not. So you create a state, and here remember that we did something similar to this in the past, like the past 2 minutes. So it's exactly what we need to do right now. So because the ref, it creates a function if you didn't know, and you can easily go here. I'm not going to be using this callback because not the focus of this video, but if you know what use callback does, really nice for you. And here we go, and in our state we just can be here and just yes sir, that's exactly what. Oh man, Copilot sometimes you do not help. And here we go, our state is here, and here we just do this and we are done. And now it's going to work. Alright, and just go here and remove the use half. So it's going to be and whoa, just look at that, just look at that, our child is inside the portal. That's magic, don't you think? The first time I saw this portal stuff, I was like, man, that's going to change my life. It changed my life since then. I'm a different person since that day. Yes, and I hope you are now. But just so you remember what you've learned in this lesson, I'm going to recapitulate that for you, my boy. First of all, a create portal works by having the element and the place where you want to put that element. So there are some kind of options. You can create a have, and then you always need to use a set state or a name that you come up with. And when we have like the component, we can just go here and then it's going to teleport our child inside our have, okay? And if you want, you also can use document.body, it doesn't matter, or even if you want, you can use like document.get element by id, and it's going to work, okay? And like you just can go here and I don't know, you can put the ID in here and portal, and it's going to work too. That's nice. That's nice. Or to avoid this error, you just can go here and just yeah. But always remember that you will not access like context information. Always the info that comes, it's from our parent, and if you just put like inside our other component that is passing through props, it's not going to work. Like you will not see the props inside the have, you know. So if here our is new, we just, and it's going to work the same way. I will even refresh so you can see it, okay? And so that's it folks for today. I hope you really appreciate that, and if you did, please hit the thumbs up, and always remember to subscribe because a juice content is coming. Thank you all for listening.